Now if you search something in Google Chrome and if the search result shows in Microsoft Bing instead of Google, even though Google is the default search engine in your Samsung phone, then let us see what to do. Now this generally happens due to malicious app or due to adware applications. So the first thing for you is to uninstall those applications. Now if you have recently installed those applications, you have to go to this app drawer, and at the end of the screen you will find all the applications that you have recently installed. If you see any applications such as scanner or flashlight, just tap and hold those apps and then uninstall the application. So this is the first step that you have to do. The next thing that you can do is you can scan your phone in order to check if any application has a virus in it or not. So for that one, you will go to settings, then go to device care, open it, go to this option app protection and scan the phone. So this will scan all the applications that are currently installed in your phone, and this will use built-in McAfee antivirus software, and if there is any malicious app you will be notified and then you can remove it. Now you can see in my case there are no threats found. The other thing that we have to check is we have to see whether any app has modified our accessibility settings. So what you do is you have to go to this settings option here, then go to accessibility, open it, go to install apps. Now if you see here any application such as flashlight or any other app which you think is an adware or malware app, then you have to just go inside that app, and if anything is on like this one, just disable it, select turn off. Now the next important thing that you will do is we will clear data and cache files for the Chrome application. So for that one you have to go to settings here, go to apps, then we will look for Chrome application, open it, go to storage, select clear cache, and then you will select clear data also. Now the other thing that we have to check is we have to see our private DNS also. For that one, go to settings here, go to connections, go to more connection settings, go to private DNS and make sure that it is automatic instead of something else. Now the last thing that we will do is we will reset our phone. For that one we have to go to settings here, go to general management, we'll go to reset, and then we will go to this option reset all settings and then reset settings. We have to enter the pin code that we use to lock our phone, and once you do is all the settings will be reset back to the default state. No data will be deleted. If you have made any customization, then it will be removed, and hopefully you will be able to use Google as search engine for your Chrome.